p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Portage Park or over Irving Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont Cragen, Gunning, West Ridge, Forest Glen, Edgewater, North Center, Skokie, Austin, Rogers Park, River Forest, Schiller Park, Logan Square, Albany Park, Avondale, Lincoln Park, Norwood Park, Jefferson Park, Uptown, Elmwood Park, North Park, Evanston, Humboldt Park, McElwood, Oak Park, and Harwood Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 81.